The CraftHub International Exhibition, exploring craft practices across Europe, began its journey in April 2023 from Matera, Italy, exhibiting at the National Museum of Matera, to then travel across Europe to Germany, Greece, Portugal, Ireland, Wales, and finally Norway in October 2023. The exhibition was a precious opportunity to share the CraftHub story and achievements to local communities and organisations that have followed, supported and actively participated in the project over the last 3 years. The opening was dedicated to the theme of circular economy and the opportunities for craft to help transform industrial waste, a topic explored during the CraftHub residency in Matera in 2022. The local industry representative, Ego Italiano, donor of the sofa manufacturing waste used in the residency, went on to purchase a prototype created by local designer Giorgia Garofalo and develop a new commercial product. The cuckoo, or rooster, a symbol of local heritage, traditionally made in clay, is currently being produced by local prisoners thanks to a partnership with Made in Carcere. The content curation and setup of the exhibition was coordinated and produced by Italian CraftHub partners Materahub, carefully designed to narrate the breadth and richness of the craft processes and techniques that have been explored throughout the project. Core recurring themes highlighted the common threads running through the many CraftHub activities on display, including heritage, sustainability, experimentation, technological innovation, empowerment and social inclusion. The exhibition design layout needed to be modular and replicable in order to adapt to 7 unique spaces across Europe. It also needed to be sustainable, and so the methodology facilitated repurposing existing material available and using cardboard boxes for a modular, economical and recyclable solution that could adapt to all spaces and exhibition content. Dedicated guided tours and open talks on how the CraftHub project has supported practitioner empowerment were organised with local students. Over 30 local craft practitioners participated in the project by travelling across Europe with the Maker Exchange residency to learn new techniques and network, by developing bespoke and inclusive CraftHub workshops to engage with extensive audiences including students, tourists, craft professionals and vulnerable groups, by creating tutorials to share their craft processes and creative passion to inspire others, or by exhibiting showcase pieces in the exhibition illustrating contemporary craft excellence, all facilitating and inspiring new practitioners as a core aim of the CraftHub project. Irish lacemakers from the Boris Lace by Post programme connected with Italian lacemakers and enthusiasts to exchange techniques in a wonderful open workshop. A local showcase piece exhibitor, lacemaker Lina Ramundo, went on to win second prize in the CraftHub public vote organised in October 2023 and receive European recognition and a cash prize thanks to the Carlo coordinators of the CraftHub project. An open talk was dedicated to exploring the precious experimentation on how craft can be a tool to facilitate social inclusion. Members of the Dependency Rehabilitation Centre, Comunità Emanuel, shared their experience in following the CraftHub workshops, together with community animator Uccio Santochirico and the young adults with Down syndrome employed by the cooperative Oltre l'Arte, who helped make the papier-mâché workshops possible. Lastly, Emanuele D'Agostino, a community member who discovered a passion for 3D printing whilst in treatment, delivered the first of a series of CraftHub workshops to local students. Craft is innately accessible due to its materiality, and it was important to make the most of this. QR codes with audio narrations, careful set-up design of the space, dedicated guided tours for disabled audiences, and bespoke training on how to welcome them all helped facilitate this. The content curation methodology of the exhibition, highlighting the process and not just the finished object, allowed blind and partially sighted audiences to really understand the craft techniques from start to finish. Local practitioners, Elisa Yanna, shared a heartfelt deep dive into their technical and creative process on making bijou jewellery from recycled metal. This project has really highlighted the transformative and innovative potential of craft and how it can adapt to a new sustainable and digital future, and also its power as a tool to facilitate social inclusion, which has inspired Materahub to develop new opportunities to harness this potential further.